In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to Shopify for free using judge.me. Having reviews on your product pages is one of the easiest ways to build trust with new customers, and judge.me is a great free app that lets you do exactly that. I'll walk you through the setup step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to bring in your existing reviews from other platforms so they show up right inside your Shopify store. First, head over to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type judge.me product reviews. You should see the judge.me product reviews app appear in the results. Click on it to open the app page, then click the install button. If you're not already logged into your Shopify admin, you'll be prompted to log in and select the store you want to connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to approve the permissions and complete the installation. This might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken into the judge.me dashboard inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for the section labeled Reviews in that left-hand column and click on it. This is where you'll manage all of your product reviews going forward, including moderating, publishing, and replying to customers. Next, from within the judge.me dashboard, find and click on the option that says Import Reviews. This is the feature that lets you bring in reviews from other places where your products are already being sold, so you don't have to start from zero. Importing existing reviews is especially helpful if you're moving from another platform or already have social proof you want to showcase. After clicking Import Reviews, you'll see different import options. Choose the one that says Import from Platforms. Go ahead and click that. Judge.me supports importing reviews from a variety of marketplaces and other review systems, and this section is where those connections live. Finally, you'll be asked to select the platform you'll be importing from. You might see options like major marketplaces, other review apps, or external sources. Choose the platform that matches where your reviews currently are. From there, Judge.me will guide you with specific instructions based on that platform, such as uploading a file or connecting an integration. Once that's done, your imported reviews can start appearing on your Shopify product pages, helping visitors feel more